So today is your English period now in your class. We will be doing English subject. Last time, if you remember, we had done a very beautiful story. Could you please name the story last time that we did?
The word of the
Very good. We remember the name of the story, the work of fabric. What it means? What is the meaning of work? Work means what? Who can? Yes. What is the meaning of work?
चीज के काबिल
Value. Work means ahamiyat, value. Okay. And work of a fabric means the value of fabric. Fabric means, and somebody tell me what is the fabric? In Urdu, what is the fabric in Urdu called? Kapda. The value of kapda, value of fabric. Okay, work of a fabric. That was a very beautiful lesson. In that lesson, he discovered the control power of a man. Control power of a man. What he controlled? Number one, he controlled anger. Number two, he had a control of not abusing anybody, not saying bad words to anybody. Number three, what was his another quality? That he was always very, very kind and helpful to others. He was kind, helpful to others, and therefore he could become a great man, a great poet, a great poet. He was a great poet. He had written a book. What was the name of that book? What was the name of the book he had written? Anybody? You can see and tell. Because this is a South Indian name, a little bit difficult to remember. So you can see, you can read it. Yes, what was the name? Tiruvulluvar was the name. Tiruvulluvar wrote a book called as Tiruvulluvar. Okay, some name, very confusing name, but you must know the name. So this was the story about this man, and in this story there was a man. What the man had intended to do, what he intended to do, what was his intention? That young man, that prodigal man, extravagant man, he was trying to do something with that Tiruvulluvar. What was he trying to do? He wanted to make him angry. He wanted to make him angry. And what did he do in the shop to make him angry? When he went to his fabric shop, what did he do there? What did he do? That young man, arrogant man, he went to the shop with the intention of making Tiruvulluvar angry. So what action did he do? He took the he picked up a fabric cloth. Okay, then what did he do?
There was the price of it.
Hmm.
And he tore it into two pieces.
Very good, very
There was
good.
price of it now. And he then tore it. When it becomes too rare, then he asked the price.
Good. That was the correct answer. So I will give you 5 minutes to go through the lesson. Just browse it and check difficult words. Remember the words. Learn the spellings. If you do not know the meanings, you can go home and search on internet to find the meanings. Do it now. The time starts. चलो शूटिंग बंद करो.